Oh, look, some nice Italian sauces and pestos. Let's have a look at this one. Whoa, that's a big image. Alright, so that was pretty dumb, but anyway, I'm going to show you how to change the size of the product image in Dawn theme. Okay, as you can see, it's just way too big, and I'm sure that many other people are having this problem. I'm going to show you on a real life store. Okay, this is Pure Italy, they're a client of mine, and yeah, this is super quick. So as you can see, there's two columns. Okay, there's the image column, and then there's like the information column, and they're called product info wrapper, and they're called product media, no, not this one, they're called product media item. So all we're going to do is go to online store, themes, then open up actions, edit code to go into the theme code editor, and you're just going to look for a file called, actually already have it open here, section main product.css. So you can just search this, so section main product, right, and you'll find it here under assets. So open up that file, and you're just going to scroll down a little bit to this section that says product media wrapper, right? That's the block that the image is in, or the div that the image is in, and product info wrapper, that's this right column here. And we can see their widths here. And this is all we need to change. So if you want to change this one from 64% to say we want the image to be only 50%, and we also want the information to be 50%, right? So that they're equal. Hit save, and you'll see that the image has become smaller and the info section has become bigger. That's all there is to it. And keep them the same. So actually, make sure they add up to 100%, right? So if you make this one 40%, then make sure that you make the information column 60%. That's all there is to it. I hope this video helped. If you want more videos like this, hit subscribe, like. See you next time.